Everyone's asking, will AI eat the cloud? What's the effect on traditional cloud services? Will it supercharge them? AI revenue is growing at a staggering 77% annually, heading toward $500 billion by 2030. But here's what most people miss. AI isn't eating the cloud. They're powering each other. AI needs cloud infrastructure for storage and connectivity. And the cloud? It's being supercharged by AI demand. The real transformation? It's shifting from training to inference. Training is teaching AI models using massive data sets. Inference is where trained AI delivers answers to users, putting trained AI models to work in a live environment. Every AI prompt, that's inference. In 2023, AI infrastructure was dedicated to training. By 2030, that flips to 80% inference. Why does this matter? Because inference is where end users benefit from AI training cycles. And here's the challenge. These two workloads need completely different infrastructure. Training needs massive power. It can go anywhere where power is abundant and cheap. Inference needs low latency. It has to be closer to users in major metros or Tier 1 markets. This is driving entirely new approaches in data center design, build, and cooling, with power densities jumping from 40 kilowatts per rack up to 600 kilowatts. Iron Mountain Data Centers has more than 1.3 gigawatts globally. We bring your AI to life in power-rich locations, with inference hubs in major metropolitan areas. So, will AI eat the cloud? No, but it's a real game changer, driving 4 to 5 times infrastructure growth over the next decade. And Iron Mountain Data Centers is ready to protect, connect, and activate your data.